Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Glow at AI Plus gaming console. So friend, MSI has announced Luna leg-based MSI Glow and the MSI Glow at AI Plus in early state with two configurations featuring the Core Ultra 7 258V 8-core CPU and Core Ultra 7 256V, and this immediately tells use two things this handheld will use are 140V graphics with full at X2 cores, and it will feature either 32GB and 16GB LPDDR5X at 533 memory, and this is confirmed by both the Intel CPU name and official description. And we have the very first gaming handheld from popular brand, and it will feature 32GB of memory and 8GB more than the ROG Ally, and twice as much as its producer. So friend, MSI has also confirmed the dimension and weight of this new console. It is needed heavier than its predecessor, now weighing 794 grams, and this size isn't changed much, but the console is wider and thicker. Refer to the table below for full details, and it features larger 8-inch screen set to offer 120Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of peak brightness. And MSI has already confirmed that the system will include 80 watt-hour battery, and which is also verified in the official specification. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.